Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make Aloo Chana chat. Take half kg yogurt. Beat the yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder. Mix it well. Add 1 cup boiled chanas, 1 cup boiled potatoes, 1 cup boondi, sliced onion and tomato. Mix them well in yogurt. Sprinkles some chaat masala. Now sprinkles some papri over the chaat. Papri make it crispy. Our chat pada aloo chat is ready. I hope you like the recipe. Do try and share your reviews.